Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be solving GATE 2019 chemistry question. This is question number 19. It carry 1 mark. This question states that the total number of alpha and beta particle emitted in the following radioactive decay. So this is the radioactive decay and we have to find out the number of alpha and beta particle. Okay. So before solving this question, let's just move into some basics. Radioactivity is actually caused when an atom, for whatever reason, wants to give away some of its energy. The nuclei of these elements are unstable and it therefore decomposes or decays spontaneously with the emission of alpha or beta particle. This leads to the formation of some new element with different physical or chemical properties. Now, what are the types of decay? So there are alpha, beta, and gamma rays. So in this form, we observe radioactive decay. So first, alpha particle. It is nothing but helium nucleus carrying charge 2, mass number is 4, and its penetrating power is minimal. Beta particle is electron. It is symbolized as this here. It carries a charge of -1, mass 0, and it has slightly higher penetrating power than alpha particle. So it can penetrate short like skin and some other tissues. Gamma rays are simply electromagnetic radiation with zero charge and zero mass. It has a very high penetrating power. Okay, now so our question is to calculate number of alpha and beta particle okay sorry beta particle emitted during radioactive decay. Correct? So for that, let's just assume and make some expression for it. So this X element is getting decay to Y with the change of its mass number is A from A to A1 and from Z to Z1. Correct? So and then to solve this, let's just say let X uh, is nothing but alpha particle. We assume it like that. And Y is a beta particle emitted in this whole process. Okay. So this simply makes our equation as so this is X times alpha particle, which is helium, and Y times our beta particle, which is denoted as electron. Correct? So to solve uh, the final expression, we just need to make two equation out of this. So the two equations will be number one. So we have to balance atomic number, which is Z. Correct? So we have to balance atomic number Z here. So simply following left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it becomes Z. So see, Z from here. So this will be equal to Z1 plus it will be X into 2 and Y into -1. Okay. So this will give me Z is equal to Z1 plus twice of X plus -1 multiplied by Y. So this is my equation 1. Okay. Now for my equation number 2, we need to balance atomic mass A, and that will be A is equal to A1 plus 4x plus a mass of electron was 0, so 0y. So this will be equation number 2, and therefore from here directly we can get x value. So this is x is equal to A minus A1 by 4, and this is nothing but number of what? Alpha particle, correct? And if I substitute x in equation 1, what I will get is I will get z is equal to z1 plus twice of a minus a1 by 4, and there was -1 into y, so it is minus y. So my hence I want to find y, so y will be z minus z1 plus a minus a1 by 2. So this is nothing but the number of beta particle. Now to solve our problem, which is 238 of uranium 92 giving me 210 of okay 82. So to solve this, first I will find out alpha particle. So alpha particle, to find out alpha particle is very simple. Just you need to subtract this and this so that you can get the difference in the mass, atomic mass. So this will be 238 minus 210 divided by 4. Okay, so it will be 28 by 4, which will give me 7. So there are 7 alpha particles. Now, so there are 7 alpha particles. I need to find out beta. So for beta particle, I can also go with this formula, or else I can just mentally do the difference between atomic number. So the atomic number difference is actually 92 minus 82. This is actually giving me the difference of 10, correct? But if I look here, so I have a total of 7 alpha particles. So 7 alpha particles, that means it will give me 7 into He24. So this should make a atomic number difference 2 into 7, that is 14. So there should be a difference of 14, but actually we are getting a difference of 10. So the number of beta particle becomes 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. And why this is so? Because beta particle is what? It is electron. So the atomic number, atomic, it is actually, there is a charge of -1. So this just add up, and therefore it makes, which was actually supposed to be 14. from the alpha particle, but it adds up -1, and then therefore we get a total of 10 as a difference, correct? So you can also do it in this way. Just find out what should be the actual difference when we know the number of alpha particle, and after that you can actually subtract it from the difference we actually observe. Okay, so this is the number of beta particle, or simply you can do it from here also by following the formula. So basically your alpha particle is 7, your beta particles are 4 in number. So we have asked a total number of alpha and beta particles. So you need to be vigilant here and then just add these two, and you will get a total of alpha plus beta, and therefore you will make it 11. I will recommend you to look into this lecture from Professor H.C. Verma, Department of Physics, IIT Kanpur. And also you can follow the book Principle of Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma and Patania. So I followed the edition 2001. Thank you.